Ag property values in Jefferson County have skyrocketed this year, and farmers are questioning the new formula that the county is using to determine their property value. The Idaho State Tax Commission has been working closely with the Jefferson County Assessor's Office to try to create the formula, which apparently has been stagnant for a long time. Local News 8's Esme Carriega talked to a couple of very angry people today about the tax increase.
In the last year, Jefferson County has assessed our farm values. They've increased them by 67%.
Manager of Mickelson Farms, Andrew Mickelson, says it's a big impact.
It affects all the farmers, and I think it affects them negatively when we're already just trying to break even.
Farmers who own land in more than one county questioned why one county would decrease property values while another would jump by so much.
And then all of a sudden we have increased taxes thrown on top of that. And not just a small increase, but when you're talking a 60 or 70% increase from one year to the next, it's really tough.
A survey was sent to landowners last winter, but lack of response prompted the county to turn to outside data pertaining to Jefferson County agriculture revenue.
And their evaluation notice was sent out, and everybody receives those. The questionnaire was basically soliciting information in regards to what their rent is, what they receive on their rent, what their water costs and other expenses are.
However, farmers are crying foul and saying that the data doesn't reflect their financial reality. In some cases, ag property values nearly doubled. An average increase of 72% was seen across the board.
The concern was the percentage of increase. Everyone increased. All agricultural land increased in value this year. It's been fairly stagnant for years. I'd say in general around a 72% increase.
An impromptu information session was held to hear the concerns about why and how the increase occurred, and whether the valuations could be reversed. According to Idaho State Tax Commission Manager Matt Virgil, they planned on meeting with people individually.
And the income approach involves income, so we want to be sensitive and make sure that individual's income isn't shared in a group setting.
Virgil also says the increase in property value can mean a tax increase, but it's not proportional. Virgil advised farmers to provide the county with better information that reflects the proper value. Doing so may justify revisiting the formulas.
If we discover an error or something that has been stagnant, we want to make sure that error has been taken care of.
The Board of Equalization, comprised of 3 county commissioners, has the duty to hear appeals on property values, and landowners have to present evidence for their individual cases. Property owners wanting to appeal their valuation must apply for a Board of Equalization before 5 p.m. on Monday. The law requires that all property value questions be settled by the board by July 11th.